Living in New Orleans means enjoying vibrant culture, historic neighborhoods, and coastal charm. But it also means your home must stand up to humidity, heat, heavy rain, and occasional storms. When replacing or upgrading exterior doors, material choice is especially important. The right door materials help protect your home, improve comfort, and reduce long-term maintenance. For New Orleans homeowners, selecting door materials suited to a coastal climate is a smart investment in durability and peace of mind. Why door materials matter in coastal conditions? New Orleans' coastal climate exposes doors to constant moisture, high humidity, salt air, and temperature fluctuations. Over time, these conditions can cause some materials to warp, swell, corrode, or weaken. Choosing the right door material helps prevent these issues, ensuring your door maintains its strength, appearance, and performance year after year. Fiberglass doors. A top choice for coastal homes, fiberglass doors are one of the most reliable options for coastal environments. They are highly resistant to moisture, won't warp or swell, and handle temperature changes exceptionally well. For New Orleans homes, fiberglass doors provide strong insulation and durability while mimicking the look of real wood. Homeowners get classic style without the constant upkeep that wood often requires in humid climates. Steel doors. Strength with proper protection. Steel doors are valued for their security and strength. When properly finished and maintained, they perform well in coastal areas. In New Orleans, steel doors should be coated with corrosion-resistant finishes to protect against rust caused by moisture and salt air. When installed correctly, steel doors offer excellent security and long-lasting performance. Wood doors. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood doors offer unmatched natural beauty and are often chosen for historic or traditional New Orleans homes. However, wood is more vulnerable to moisture and humidity. In a coastal climate, wood doors require regular sealing, painting, or refinishing to prevent swelling, cracking, or rot. Homeowners who choose wood should be prepared for ongoing maintenance to preserve its appearance and function. Composite doors. A balanced solution. Composite doors combine materials like wood fibers, resins, and insulating cores to deliver strength and stability. For New Orleans homeowners, composite doors offer the appearance of wood with better resistance to moisture and temperature changes. They are a strong option for those seeking durability with refined style. Energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Door materials play a significant role in maintaining indoor comfort. Well-insulated doors help reduce heat transfer and prevent drafts. In New Orleans homes, energy-efficient door materials help keep cool air inside during hot months and reduce strain on air conditioning systems. Resistance to moisture and warping. Moisture resistance is critical in a coastal climate. Materials like fiberglass and composite resist swelling and warping far better than untreated wood. For New Orleans residents, moisture-resistant door materials help ensure smooth operation and a secure fit over time. Matching door materials to home style. The right door material should complement the home's architectural design. Historic homes may favor wood-look fiberglass or composite doors, while modern homes often suit sleek fiberglass or steel designs. In New Orleans neighborhoods, thoughtful material selection enhances curb appeal while maintaining durability. Professional installation is essential. Even the best door material can fail if installed incorrectly. Proper alignment, sealing, and hardware installation are critical for performance. Professional installation ensures doors in New Orleans homes are properly protected against moisture, air leaks, and long-term wear. A smart door choice for New Orleans homes. Choosing the right door materials is essential in a coastal climate. Fiberglass, steel, composite, and carefully maintained wood doors all offer unique benefits. By selecting materials designed to withstand humidity and moisture, and ensuring professional installation, New Orleans homeowners can enjoy doors that deliver security, comfort, and lasting beauty despite coastal conditions.